Howdy everyone, this is Grandpa and I'm with Uptown 101 and this is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, I'm at the Aspire Post Oak, and this is one of my favorite features of the Aspire is a very professional valet service that's here. So you can see the valet service. This gentleman already helps me with my car. He parks them very professionally. He's already took my car. My car is back there, by the way. That's my white little gem that's over there. Love it. But this is what it looks like. And so you've got a really nice lane to just drive through, and that valet service gentleman is there to help you. So that's actually the valet desk that's right there. There's actually 2 people there today. So it's a really, really nice feature of the Aspire Post Oak, just professional valet service. There's also, of course, a garage. You don't have to use the valet. You can enter on your own. There is a residential entry garage that's there. So you can go into the garage, only residents, and park there as well. So that's what that looks like, but it's nice to have both. Hey, now we're about to walk into the Aspire, and I'm gonna talk to you inside there. If you have any questions at any time about anything you're seeing, send me a text, just use the number below.